Okay, so today I will show you the packaging of KT5C 8-inch smart desk phone. This is the box. It is made of a carton box. Open the box. Inside, this is foam to protect the screen. User manual. This is the device. Okay, it is protected by the film packing. And this is a handset. Okay, also protected by the CPE package. And here, this is a power cord. This is a European type power adapter. And we can also supply different kinds of standards power adapter. This is European type. And we can also supply American type and UK type. Okay, that's it for all the parts for the package.